everyone. Welcome to episode number 15 of the PowerPlatform Did You Know series. My name is Ron, and this week I have with me Matt. We're coming to you directly from beautiful Microsoft Technology Center here in Toronto, Canada. So Matt, thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks, Ron. So my name is Matthew Mead. I'm a business app specialist from the Vancouver office, but luckily this week I get to spend time in Toronto.
Terrific, thanks. So guys, this week the session that we would like to introduce you to is called PowerApps for Dynamics 365 Customizers. And Matt, a lot of the conversation around PowerApps so far has been around the Canvas app applications and how to build them. But this idea of the model-driven app, I think it's a super interesting concept and idea as well.
Yeah, so with model-driven applications, you can build these feature-rich, beautiful business applications, tying in that business data, the rules, the relationships, tying it in together into a beautiful app. And of course, if you're familiar with Dynamics 365 or our traditional CRM products, the interface is going to be very familiar.
Terrific. So guys, enjoy the session. Please let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like to see us cover in the future. So until the next episode, enjoy and thanks for watching.